Hello welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first ever video for my new YouTube channel. On this channel I post slot car content, and for today we have a racer sideways Nissan Skyline. And this is a build that I built for the Hooligan Group 5 tour in South Africa. So this is not a car I'm going to be driving. Instead, this is going to be a car that I built for someone else. So we're going to be needing a scale, two weigh things, a screwdriver, and the car itself. And that's it. Okay, so now we're going to be weighing the entirety of the car. We're also going to measure the magnet pull from the motor, but that's later. So if we check, just turn it on and just make sure it's set properly. And giving me issues. Okay, now just gonna click on tear, and now we're just going to weigh the car. So yeah, just setting it properly, and yeah, just going to take my camera closer. So we're gonna put the car on top of the scale, and we see that it weighs a total of 72.8 grams, which is fairly lightweight for these cars. And yeah. Okay, so now instead of weighing the entire weight of the car, we're just going to weigh the magnet pull from the motor. So first it's going to put the little lid back onto the scale. So yeah, and gonna click on tear again because it's weird now. And after that we're just going to let the car hover over, and as we can see it's showing negative 3.1 grams of magnet pull. Yeah, fairly standard. So here I'm just showing you the float of my car, both front and rear. This is the float I'm running on the motor pod itself. Float is very important for a car because it just makes it more agile around the corners. So I'm now just going to remove the body of the car with a star head screwdriver. There's only two screws in the front and on the diffuser at the back. Yeah. So it's a fairly lightweight body, and just the screw doesn't want to go. And so yeah, just going to put the screws somewhere else so they're not in my way. So it's a fairly lightweight body. As you can see, I'm running a Lexan interior, which is allowed for our rules. So this is the chassis itself. I'm just going to bring the camera a bit closer so you can see better. So yeah, this is my setup. So I'm running a fairly low setup. It's quite low to the track. It's got a 1.25 millimeter offset pod. It's the carbon fiber one. It is also the one that has ball bearings. And so the motor is a slotted flat 6 MN09CH, and it's got a standard rear axle, not a hollow axle. I am running standard rear wheels, the rims. I'm using SWMs, which is the sideways medium, the Pro Speed sideways medium compound, which is a spec tire for the class. I didn't have any axle stopper, so I'm just using my own spacers. It's the standard front axle with the standard front wheels. Only thing I changed on the front is the low profile tires. It's a Salting Plus guide that I cut so that it fits better on the Ninko track which we are racing on, and yeah, that is what you can see here.